I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time control in RNG fights, updated. Set the clock to bait predictable move windows and pressure opponents into repeating risky patterns. Watch for animation frames where RNG resolves and plan interrupts accordingly. Use delay moves to cluster random checks and increase your odds of favorable hits. Practice short cycles that reset timer states, and note which abilities shift RNG timing most reliably. Warm up by learning micro-delay techniques that nudge RNG resolution by milliseconds and create repeatable outcomes. Combine short delays with timer reset skills to stack multiple random events inside a single controlled phase. Track opponent cooldowns and schedule your RNG-dependent moves when their responses are limited. Record practice runs to spot consistent timing patterns and refine your delay windows for reliable results in real matches. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your setup, making it easy to call up timers or sound cues during practice sessions. It's a handy little boost for focused training. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it helps, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by recording several fights to identify consistent RNG frames and isolate effective delay lengths. Start with small micro-delays and only increase if you still see random variance, keeping adjustments precise. Remember that different opponents produce different timing signatures, so adapt your strategy per match. Build a short library of favored timing setups and practice them until they feel natural, turning time control into a reliable part of your toolkit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.